everyone, welcome to Apurva Ki Pathshala where word comes to life. Does your child also wonder what is the sound letter GH is making when it is coming at the last of any word? So my dear kids, whenever letter GH come at the last of any word, it makes the sound of letter F, that is. Now let's have a look at following words where GH is coming at the last and it is making sound. Laugh, cuff, tough, enough and slough. To know more such exciting phonics rule, subscribe my channel Apurva Ki Pathshala and don't forget to like. Thank you.